Alrighty there, people, so let's unbox another one. Actually, I just forgot to do my intro. Actually, let's roll the intro while I am unboxing this. There we go. That's way better. That's way better. I just jumped the gun. That's really sad. Okay, well, let's roll the intro now. Or whatever I decide. Okay, let's unbox this. I mean, let's. Wow, today I'm just. I tend to be a little or I tend to don't make sense. So you unscrew 3 of these screws, which I'm not using the correct. So they are a little bit tight from the factory. Wow. There. Don't fall. Yeah. Man, they are so tight. Doesn't help when you have a. And I was unprepared. Oh no. Wow. That is so bad. I need a new screwdriver. Okay. Now we can slide it back. There's a little mesh grill. It's kind of like the old, or it's kind of like back in the day. So we have the accessory and your screws, and we do have to install the standoff too. So when you buy, you do have to install standoff. So we got most of our screws to mount it, or mount our hardware, especially water cooled. So. And it comes with a Molex to 3-pin fan adapter, which I'm not going to remove because I don't need it, because the board I'm putting in do have fan control, so they give you a little Molex to 3-pin fan adapter. Maybe remove that. Yeah, so that was the only bad thing, is that the case screw was on there pretty tight. And I'm going to remove all these wire tie, because over time these wire tie will get brittle over time. And when they get brittle over time, they will cut into the wire, which if they really had that securely planned, they would use zip tie. So yeah, be fair, remove a lot of zip tie that I'm doing. I would say they do have a couple of pretty nice secure point for your cable, so if you want neatly zip tie, you can if you want to. This was more of a budget case that Cooler Master do sell, so it's, I believe it was like $49, so not a bad quality at all. Yeah, I'm that little bit paranoid that it comes with these 3-pin, the Molex to 3-pin fan adapter. You're gonna be wearing out your fan more quicker if you do that. Now, for whatever reason, if your board doesn't have that, just get yourself a little simple fan controller. If you do have to adapt that to it, so there we go. So mostly typical thing cable wise, but let's see here, let's talk about. So you do have to, it does have a removable tray back, which is probably going to be on there tight, so if I unscrew it, demo it out for you people. Whoop. Dang. There it is. You do have to keep track of your thumb screw for your case. So keep in mind they're not one of those. So it does take 4 screws. Slick little piece. So what fell is this little power supply bracket. So you mount this on the back of your power supply, then you slide your power supply in, and that's where you mount your power supply. So, which, if I can figure this out, so there we go. I say these are not easy, but oh well, I guess if it help out. There we go. Screw this one in. And your power supply would be in that bracket. Now you can throw in a video card too in this case. This case will accept the big long, so it probably would accept like a what is the longest video card? Like NVIDIA, the GTX 1070 from NVIDIA, that video card will fit in there. That's where your real I/O goes. you have an 80mm fan, little ones, then you have a 120mm fan at the front. Then there was a side with a little tray for your SSD and your hard drive. Then you have a normal optical drive, which the optical drive tray will walk out with SSD in a smaller hard drive, so like a 2.5 inch drive. So we take the front panel off like so, which ideally it should pop off. There we go. And as you can see, this is where the 120mm fan is at. So, yep, it's screwed in. They have these. So, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, your headphone jack, and on and off switch. And your little, you did pull out, I believe. Yeah, it should pull. Or do you squeeze in? Oh, there we go. So you can remove that, which I'm going to install an optical drive into this PC. Or actually, I'm going to snap it back in because I'm going to do a little build video guide. So we just snap that on. And this case do have a little locking, so it will lock in your optical drive or accessory, and that's removable too. They look like 2 screws mounting it. So, but anyway, that's pretty much it. So, yeah. Nothing too fancy, so that's pretty much it. So I will catch you next time in the next video. So I will see you later, or I will catch you next time, people. So if you don't know how to check out my video gallery, then go in the video notes, and if you click on the video notes or the link in the video notes, it should take you over to my video gallery. And another way too is clicking on my username, which that will take you over to my YouTube homepage. And once you have landed on my YouTube homepage, just click on the video tab, and that will take you over to the video gallery. So, and if the video caught your interest, feel free to subscribe or follow me on Google Plus page. Then if you did subscribe, feel free to hit the bell notification so you can be up to date of what's going on with my YouTube channel, or you can be up to date if I have upload or live stream. Then give the video a like or dislike. Then in the video note, if you click on show me more, you will see email address if you need to contact me, Amazon wish list, and Amazon wish list. If you did support me on the Amazon wish list, you would get whatever prefer shout out you prefer. Then community tech tip forums. So if you're part of one of those community tech tip forums, feel free to say hi to me And if you have any nice comment about this case, feel free to leave your positive comment, and I will catch you next time because I need to clean up this mess now. Alright? See you later. I will catch you next time.